fighting for old Ireland to claim their very own. And the foremost of that gallant band was young South from Garryowen. But the sergeant's coil, that daring plan, he spied them through the door. Well, the Sten guns and their rifles too, a hail of death did pour. And when that awful night was o'er, two men lay as cold as stone. There was one from near the border, and one from Garryowen. No more he will hear the seagulls cry or the